So inevitably when I talk about camellias, I get questions about scale, which is this tiny soft-bodied insect that attacks the back of the leaves. And you can see it from the top because the foliage will get this really ugly yellow discoloration, and that's because the scale is on the back side, basically sucking the xylem out of the foliage. So inevitably people ask, how do you deal with it? And we always recommend in the profession all-season spray, which is just horticultural oil or dormant oil. But often people are like, no, that doesn't work. And it's not that it doesn't work, it's that you're probably not applying it correctly. So I want to go through and show you all of the tips so that you can use this product, which is environmentally safe and very effective, and put away your pesticides and never have to use them again. Okay. All right, dormant oil is inexpensive and you can buy it everywhere. Garden centers, box stores, it doesn't matter. Now, the trick to spraying your dormant oil is that you use a proper sprayer. And I cannot say enough about this still handheld sprayer. Here's the deal, it's small, it's manageable, and it allows me to get right up into the plant and spray the areas that are actually infected. So with this, it's got a hand trigger and a hand pump. All you have to do is put up the pressure and then start spraying. It has a nice fine mist, and I'm able to get right up underneath the leaves and coat everything. Scale tends to get on the bottom part of the plant and tends to congregate in very low areas. So it's really important that you get in and you not only spray the tops of the leaves, but you get up into it and get the undersides of the leaves covered as well. It's the only way that you're gonna actually suffocate this insect and make it so that it won't be able to keep regenerating. Now, winter is the perfect time to be doing this because the temperatures are cool. You don't want to be spraying dormant oil when temperatures are below 40 or above 70. And you want to get your scale now in the winter time before they turn into the crawling stage. That's when they start moving around and then infecting all the rest of your plants. So deal with your scale anytime really November through April. And when you have it under control, it'll be an easy one-time application every year to just keep it managed. Now you can see this is classic scale damage, and when you turn it over, you can see all that white, and that is the scale. But you see how coating the top side of the leaf doesn't help at all. I've actually got to get up underneath and coat that, and that's what will ultimately suffocate the insect. I was able to treat 3 5-foot tall camellia specimens with just one batch in that great still sprayer. Spraying oil is easy and it's environmentally safe. I do feel the need to address the issues of homeowners using systemic insecticides. I highly recommend against it. You have to realize that though effective on camellia scale, those pesticides will have an impact on every other insect. So please be responsible. Take better maintenance steps to keep your camellias healthy and look at the big picture. Camellia scale is quite frivolous when compared to the mass extinction of important pollinators that provide us our food sources. So think twice before you go out and buy that insecticide, and instead go with a normal regimen of dormant oil sprays to manage your camellia scale.